Okay, I'll get the building name in the description. Looks like we got a Dover.
Pretty nice interior.
And a nice bell also.
No handrails.
It's got that rear indicator as well.
The beer seat.
Oh yeah.
It does have one light out. Cut up the certificate.
Oh, they did. Oh well.
Still seems like a newer one, but
It's actually kind of old, I think. Oh, that's the wrong floor. Alright, I'll get a brief cab view anyways. This is a nice one. I gotta say, I'm impressed.
yeah.
Well, there's part of the certificate. Phone. We'll just go to 1. I love that bell though. And it's got a 2,500 pound capacity. And there it goes.